In this video, we will show you the main functions and how to use the Metrology MDS1000E Precision Dimensional Meter. The MDS1000E Dimensional Meter is a simple and versatile device applied in high-precision dimensional measurements. Compatible with LVDT and HBT sensors, it allows the detection of variations of less than 1 micrometer. The unit has relay outputs, RS-232 and USB communication, allowing integration into serial production processes. Installation. After unpacking the product, position it on the measurement bench. Connect the power cable, plugging it into AC mains, voltage between 80 and 240 volts. On the rear panel, fit and thread the sensor connector. Optionally, the relay outputs can be used via the 8-pin circular connector. Serial communication is also available on the DB9 connector, RS-232 interface, and the USB connector. Turn on the equipment using the on and off switch. Main functions. The zero adjustment must be performed using the front knob. To release the zero function, hold the knob down for 2 seconds. Then adjust to the desired value. The unit will automatically lock the function after a short period of inactivity. The lower control limit must be set by pressing the key for 2 seconds. The value must be changed using the front knob. The instrument will automatically return to measurement after a period of inactivity. The button can be pressed briefly to query the set value. Similarly, the adjustment of the upper control limit should be done by pressing the key for 2 seconds. The value should be changed via the front knob. The instrument will automatically return to measurement after a period of inactivity. The key can be pressed briefly to query the set value. The relay key allows the relay contact outputs of the tolerance limits to be activated or deactivated. To switch the operating mode, simply press the key briefly. The scale key allows you to adjust the working resolution in 1 micrometer or 0.1 micrometer. To toggle the active scale, press the key for 2 seconds. The key can be pressed briefly to query the set value. The POL key allows you to adjust the direction of the sensor reading increment in either the positive or negative direction. To toggle the polarity, press the key for 2 seconds. The key can be pressed briefly to query the set value. The USB RS-232 key transmits the current reading to the communication interfaces. Calibration. The calibration process on the MDS1000E is simple. The sensor must be fixed to a universal measurement base or micrometer drum, so that a known displacement can be applied to the sensor. In this example, the sensor is fixed near its mechanical center, and this point is considered the reference zero. The fine zero adjustment is done via the adjustment knob. The adjustment function must be unlocked by pressing the knob for 2 seconds. Next, a calibrated standard block of known measure is inserted. In this example, a 1.005 mm block is used. The reading from the equipment is then observed. If deviation is detected, the cal setting must be modified using a small screwdriver. The procedure must be repeated interactively until the two reference points are correctly indicated on the equipment. For calibration, it is recommended to apply a displacement between 20 and 80% of the total measuring travel of the sensor. The useful mechanical limits of the sensor should be observed to avoid working in the pre- and post-stroke region of the plunger. Measurement. Typically, the sensor should be fixed to the measuring device, observing the correct working position of the plunger. After fixing the sensor, the zero adjustment must be carried out with the aid of a calibration standard or reference face. The equipment is then ready for dimensional inspection of new parts. More information about the MDS 1000E is available at www.matrolog.net/MDS 1000E.